Welcome to It's Good to Be Smart. I'm your host, Dr. Dave Mulder. I love to learn new things, and I hope you do too, because it's good to be smart. In this episode, we're diving deep into the building blocks of life, literally. We're going to explore how living things, including you, are organized from tiny molecules all the way up to a whole living organism. Trust me, this is cool stuff, and by the end of this episode, you'll have a whole new appreciation for your own body. Trust me, this is cool stuff, and by the end of this episode, you'll have a whole new appreciation for your own body. So, let's break it down step by step. First, let's start small. I mean really small. Everything in your body is made of molecules, and the most important ones for life are called organic compounds. These include carbohydrates, like sugars and starches, lipids, also known as fats, proteins, the structural pieces that most things are built out of, and nucleic acids, like DNA. You can think of these organic compounds like Lego bricks that make up everything in the body. For example, proteins help build and repair your muscles, carbohydrates give you energy, and DNA carries the instructions for making you. Without organic compounds, life just wouldn't exist. Now, these molecules don't just float around doing nothing. They come together to form organelles. Organelles are tiny structures inside your cells that have special jobs. You can think of them like parts of a factory, each one with a different role. For example, the nucleus is like the manager of the cell, storing your DNA and directing how things work. The mitochondria are the powerhouses, turning food into energy. And ribosomes are like tiny chefs, reading the recipes in your DNA and whipping up all the proteins your body needs. Every cell in your body is packed with these hard-working organelles. Now let's start zooming out. Organelles are housed inside of cells, which are the basic units of life. Your entire body, skin, muscles, bones, blood, it's all made of cells, and humans have trillions of them. Cells come in different shapes and sizes depending on their job. Muscle cells help you move, bone cells provide structure and support for your body, nerve cells send messages in your brain, and red blood cells carry oxygen to keep you alive. Even though they're tiny, cells are the foundation of life. But a single cell can't do much on its own. That's where tissues come in. Tissues are groups of similar cells that work together to perform a function for your body. For example, muscle tissue helps you run, jump, and move. Nerve tissue helps you think and feel. Skin tissue protects your body from germs and the outside world. Just like a team works together to win a game, cells in a tissue work together to keep your body running smoothly. Now let's get even bigger. Tissues come together to form organs, body parts that have a specific job. You can probably think of a bunch of different organs in your body. Think of your heart. It's made of muscle tissue that pumps blood, nerve tissue that helps control the beat, and connective tissue that holds everything together. Your stomach, lungs, bones, muscles, eyes, and brain are all examples of organs, each one made of different types of tissues working as a team. But wait, there's more. No organ works alone. Instead, they team up to form organ systems that keep you alive. Organ systems are made up of interconnected organs that work together to provide a general function for your body. For example, your digestive system, your stomachs, your intestines, your liver, work together to break down food for energy. Your circulatory system, your heart, blood, and blood vessels, moves oxygen and nutrients around your body. Your skeletal system, your bones, cartilage, and ligaments, supports your body and protects your soft internal organs. Your nervous system, your brain, spinal cord, and nerves help you to think and move and react. Each system plays a crucial role in keeping your body working properly. And finally, when all these organ systems come together, you get a complete living organism. You! This same organization exists in every multicelled organism, from trees to dogs to mushrooms. It's the basic plan that structures all multicellular life. Before we wrap up this episode, here are 5 awesome facts about your body that might surprise you. Your body is made up of about 37 trillion cells. That's more than the number of stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Your stomach produces a strong acid and enzymes that are designed to digest protein. The problem? Your stomach is made of protein. So how can your stomach protect itself from its own digestive juices? Well, 2 ways. Stomach cells produce mucus to make a protective layer, but even more important, the cells in your stomach lining reproduce rapidly, so that lining completely replaces itself every 3 to 4 days so you don't digest yourself. Your lungs are always working, and this means you breathe in about 11,000 liters of air every day. That's enough to fill a swimming pool. The largest organ in your body isn't your heart or your lungs, it's your skin. You might not picture skin as an organ, but think about what we learned about organs. They're made up of different kinds of tissues that work together to perform a particular job for the organism. And your skin helps protect you, and it keeps those things that are supposed to be on the inside of you inside, and the things that are supposed to be outside of you on the outside. It's an organ for sure. Your brain has around 86 billion neurons, and each one can connect to thousands of others. That's a lot of pathways that signals can travel. And you know what else is cool? Every time you learn something new, your brain makes a new connection between neurons. Whoa, that's what's happening right now as you're learning new facts. So, let's review as we close up this episode. From tiny molecules to complete organisms, life is built in layers, each one playing a crucial role. From organic compounds to organelles to cells to tissues to organs to organ systems to whole organisms, this organizational scheme is true for every living thing that's made of more than one cell. Understanding this structure helps us appreciate how amazing our bodies and all living things really are. Thanks for joining me for this episode, and hey, nice work leveling up your brain power today. Remember, smart isn't something you are, it's something we become as we're learning. So keep listening, keep learning, and keep getting smarter every day. It's Good to Be Smart is created and produced by me, Dr. Dave Mulder, with the support of the National Science Foundation through the Robert Noyce Teacher Scholarship Program. Subscribe to this feed so you'll never miss an episode, and check out our home on the web, goodtobesmart.com. Until next time, keep asking questions, stay curious, and keep learning, because it's good to be smart.